Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the co-founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at Weblium and how to add a BlogHandy blog to your Weblium page. So I'm already in my Weblium account and I've got a flower shop website. Let me click on edit site right now. And let's get started. So we want to do a few things. We want to add a new page. Add new page. We call it blog. Done. We also want to add the blog to our header menu. So we just click here. We click on add menu item. We call it blog. All capital letters in this case. And then what you want to do is you want to link that to your new page. You click here on the little settings icon and here you say open page and you select the new blog page and save. Perfect. So that's done. Our blog is here already linking, and once you click on that it will open the blog page. Alright, so the blog page is empty right now. Custom blog, we can just call it our blog. And then what you want to do is you want to click here on empty column on the add icon. All right, so now we have to go down and we have to find an HTML embed or an HTML code here, embed code. That's the one we need. Just click on it. And now when you click on it, click here on this settings. You will also see there's a settings icon, but that's the one for the column. And this one is for the actual element. So you have to click here on the left side. And here is where we have to put in our code. So let's just go to BlogHandy, click on getting started. And under code snippet, step 1, we just copy this code. We go back to Weblium and we paste it here. We go back to BlogHandy and now we copy this code under step 2. We go back to Weblium, we paste it here and we click on save. Alright, it got saved. So let's just click on the close icon. This is where our blog will load, but we have to publish the page in order to see that. So let's click here on publish. Perfect. So the website is now live and let's click on open website to see how it looks. Okay, so this is our website. We can click here on the blog link to load our blog. And here is our blog. Perfect. Now there are a few final things we have to do. The first one is we have to copy paste this link. We copy it, we go to BlogHandy, to settings, and under blog URL, we just put in this code. We go down and click on save all changes. So that way we now linked our Weblium blog page with BlogHandy. Now, one more thing here is that you might have noticed that these titles are a bit small. This is because BlogHandy's technology takes over your existing website style. So if you have nowhere some large headlines at the moment on the page, you might not have declared them in your Weblium account. You can do that in Weblium, or you can just go to BlogHandy, click on layout and design. On that page you can change to different blog designs if you want. Some are more text based, some are more featured image based, and you can go all the way down. And here under custom CSS, you can put in your own custom CSS code to style the blog in whatever way you want. If you feel uncomfortable with that, just let us know and we can help you. I'll just show you a quick example how easy it is. So H1, and we say the font size should be 1.5 rem and the line height should be 1.75 rem, and that's it. I just click on save all changes. And that's it. You will see when we go back to the blog and we just reload it, that now the headlines are larger. And here as well you will see that those headlines are larger now. As I said, if you feel uncomfortable with changing CSS code, just let us know, and our team is always happy to customize your blog in a way that you like it the most. Thanks a lot for listening, and please feel free to reach out to us if you need any help. Happy blogging, and bye bye for now.